today. Pretty much what I'm going to do right now is just go over a quick section of the periodic table. But yeah, so without really wanting to mess around too much. So as you can hopefully appreciate and have seen on the periodic table, you'll have these little boxes which has the elements in here. So I've picked oxygen. And so you've got a number of characteristics from it. So you've got the atomic mass, which is how much it weighs. You've got the symbol, so it's the shorthand way of writing the entire, what it happens to be. So in this case, oxygen, so it's an O. Then you've got the atomic number up the top here, which will tell you how many protons are in that particular element. And it'll also tell you the number of electrons as well, which is handy. And then last but not least, the number of neutrons, which is something that we'll actually get to later on, will be the atomic mass minus the atomic number, which are both displayed on there. And then that gives you the number of neutrons. So yeah, I just wanted to point those things out, and remembering that those different elements, whether they're metals, non-metals, whatever that appear on the periodic table, will have different properties, as you've seen. So what state they're in, so whether they're solids, liquids, or gases, whether they're shiny, so they have luster, whether they're malleable, so you can bend them into different shapes, whether they're ductile, you can make them into wires essentially. And then they have different melting and boiling points as well, which hopefully you can appreciate. So I'm just going to keep that really, really short and simple. Obviously, you can look back at this really quickly to get an appreciation of this, and I'll obviously add more going forward. But yeah, just a real quick one.